everyone, in this video we will see how to assemble diamond wheel to the BSG 20 India Drill Resharpening Machine. You will need 2.5 mm Allen key and 1011 open spanner to assemble the diamond wheel. First, remove the outer portion of the wheel guard. Then, ensure that you can see the shaft and the flat surface on the motor shaft. Insert M5 grub screw on diamond wheel. You will find threaded portion on the wheel. Then slide the wheel on the motor shaft such that M5 grub screw is placed exactly on the flat surface. Fasten it with the help of 2.5 mm Allen key. Also ensure that there is a little gap between wheel guard and diamond wheel so that wheel can rotate freely. Now place the outer portion of the wheel guard. Manually rotate the wheel to ensure that wheel is not touching any part of the wheel guard. Fasten wheel guard nut with the help of open spanner. It is mandatory to operate machine on plug supplied by us. Please do not temper the plug. Ensure that you have proper power supply of AC single phase 230 volts and you need 5 amps plug and socket and proper earthing to run this machine. Thank you.